Hello friends, we are going to unbox a package today. This is possibly the resolution that I need in order to do headlights without electricity. Now, I don't know how this is going to work. I don't know the first thing about putting something like this together, but let me tell you the problem that I've had. I have not been able to just go out and deal with headlight restorations or enhancements without electricity because I don't have a generator. There's just no way to put one in my little tiny car. So I was looking around trying to figure out ways around it, and I found something on Amazon. So this is a kit that you put on your drill. On your drill. How did I not know about this stuff before? Now, obviously I don't know anything about these, but I did a little bit of checking, and the yellow pad is basically what I'm gonna need for the headlights. So today we're gonna try to put this together, and then we're gonna use it on those headlights right over there on my pickup. So let's see how it does. So we got these, is that wool? Wool pad. That's cool. This is the back plate or whatever. And I got 2 in the kit. Cool. This is a drill that the detail dudes gave me. It's a Porter cable. I like it. It's small. I can grip it because I have small hands. So thank you, detail dudes. But let's see how this does.
Wow. It actually improved it.
So there you have it, guys. I'm pleased. I just did a basic polish on those headlights. I knew they were in pretty rough shape anyway. So to have this, that's pretty cool. Now, I think this would do just fine. I think this one would do just fine to at least enhance it. Now, I did use Plastex. Now, this is from Meguiar's. My dad bought this. He wants it used on his BMW. So I went ahead and used a few drops of it. Once you get your pad primed, you probably don't want to add too much more because, yeah, it started splattering a little bit. But this could work. No electricity needed. I don't know how it would do on body work, but I'm definitely pleased. Yeah. So, thanks for hanging out on my channel today. I hope you all have a wonderful day. And we'll see you tomorrow. I got to figure out these pads.